Dynistics offers a universal connection capability to any of the databases or pieces of information in your business. The real cutting edge piece about that is we can mash up multiple sources of data. So from the full click to hire process, in the sense that from a marketing perspective, we can look at which jobs are best in terms of marketing ROI and resource, then move that into the CRM system, understand what's happening to those candidates and how you're placing those jobs through the consultant's performance and what they track in the CRM, and then right through to the invoicing process and the finance details in your relevant finance systems. So it's all about having total control to all that data, breaking down the silos and mashing up individual sources of information. Dynistics is used in multiple ways within recruitment firms we work with. So from a departmental perspective, whether or not that's looking at individual consultant performance from an operational perspective and the activity level, from a finance perspective, looking at aged debtors, looking at who's paid, who needs to pay in full, and also from the marketing team, so looking at that full click to hire process. Again, the different roles within the different departments will also vary on how they use our solution. So from a higher overview piece, so understanding departments from the bigger nature and the bigger piece of the picture, but also drilling down into very granular detail, so right into the more operational and nitty-gritty data that you have. Dynistics has two main focuses in terms of analysing and creating actionable data. The first is cost savings, so we can drive down and increase efficiencies across your business, whether or not that's looking at how you manage certain elements of your business and then maximising the productivity there. The other side of it is driving revenue, so looking at how individual consultants are billing, how we drive that through the marketing channels and the resources that you have, and also from the operational perspective as well. So two areas, driving revenue and reducing costs and making maximum value out of your data. Dynistics gives you the ability not only to pull information from a universal selection of databases, but also gives you the capability to mash up individual databases. The best example for that would be the full click to hire process. So lots of our clients at the moment will utilise our tool in marketing to understand which job boards are best to pull candidates from. The second piece would then be to move that into the CRM to understand the consultant's activity and then right in from the finance system. So the data mashup piece is key and it's the cutting edge piece of our technology. In terms of a top tip from my perspective in going in and working with clients, recruitment firms shouldn't change their processes to work with a new solution or a new software. What should happen is the software should match your individual needs, so whether or not that's doing some scoping of your requirements, understanding what you actually need to do as a business, and then matching a solution to that. You shouldn't be changing your relevant processes and damaging any revenue or putting a stop to day-to-day business. The solution should match you, and we should be piecing that together in terms of making it work for you rather than you working for them.